Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to change valuation class of material master in mass. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Here I'm going to change valuation class of freshly created material. In case of if you want to change already processed material valuation class, it is difficult. I already did the video how to change valuation class of already processed material. Link I provided in the video description. You can watch that video also. Now go to Excel sheet to arrange the data. Here my material masters. For these material masters, I am going to change valuation class. First, I need to add key fields. Here, valuation data stores in MBEW table. In MBEW table, material, valuation area and valuation types are key fields. First, we need to add the key fields in this Excel sheet. I am going to change valuation class in MM17 transaction code. First, add the key fields here. I'm going to add my plant. Valuation type, I'm keeping empty. Here plant, or we can call it valuation area also. Next is valuation class. Valuation class is, I'm going to add 3000. Double click on small square. Now select this row. Add the row here by pressing Ctrl Shift equals button. Add the fields here. To add fields, I'm going to get the fields from SE16N transaction code. Enter SE16N transaction code. Press enter key. Enter the table MBEW. Copy the material number field. Go back to Excel sheet. Paste it here. Repeat the same. Copy the valuation area. Paste it here. Press tab key. Copy the valuation type. Paste it here. Copy the valuation class. This is valuation class. Paste it here. Now copy all the data. Copy it. Go to transaction code MM17. Enter /n MM17. Press enter key. Click on continue button. Select material valuation table. Now click on import data from clipboard. Click on continue button. Here select the with header line radio button. Now click on execute option. See, my fields are automatically assigned. In case of manual assignment, I already did video. Link I provided in the video description. You can watch that video. Now click on execute button. Now click on save. Click on continue. It takes few seconds to process the data. Yes, my data successfully processed. Now I am going to MM60 to check the data. Enter /n MM60. Press enter key. Enter your material numbers here. Copy the material numbers. Click here. Click on upload from clipboard. Click on right mark. Click on execute. Now click on execute. Yes, valuation class is changed successfully. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.